Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Boy, we just got in a really nice little car for summer cruising, or if you live in warmer states, you can be cruising all year round. I'll tell you more information in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota to show you one of our latest acquisitions, a 1964 Dodge Dart 270 convertible. It was considered a compact car, but this one, being a compact, still has the V8 in it. It has the 273 V8. So you're talking about a little car with not much weight with a big V8. This car scoots down the road really, really well. Beautiful chrome, beautiful paint. All the paperwork, including the Certicard and everything on this car. Take a look at all of our inventory at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where you can see this and many of our new additions that we have all the time and our current inventory that's on our sales floor. But yes, beautiful paint on this car all the way around, a correct original interior, and one very special feature that I think would make this car just a hoot to drive. It is an original factory 4-speed car. So if you want to get your jollies and go out for a nice little cruise, you got a 4-speed, go through the gears, and it would really, really be fun. Put the top down, let the wind blow. Still has vent windows, of course. But 1964 Dodge Dart 270, which was just really a really nice little car. And, Chrysler was trying to get into some of that lower end compact stuff, kind of in that era right before the Mustang. So this is where this car actually falls into place. As I said, beautiful paint. The only thing that probably takes it away from looking totally stock, and I believe the stock hubcaps are in the trunk, is it has a set of Kragers on it, which of course was very period correct for this car. Lots of people put those on to give them that distinctive look. You can find us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. We'd love to have you take a look at us. Leave us a comment, subscribe and join us. We would love to have you leave us a comment as well. So subscribe and you'll find this and many of our other cars that we've had in the past online at any one time. And you can keep watching this video because after we actually have the startup of this car as well. We will also have some additional pictures of the underside and show you that this is a really nice, clean little car. So if you're looking for something fun for the summer, beautiful paint, nice top, nice interior, good wheels and tires, and the 4-speed to boot, it's right here on the sales floor at Ellingson's, where you can come and visit in person if you'd like. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, and also open on Saturdays from 10 until 4. Come on down. Love to show you around. It's nice and warm in here, even if it's a little cool outside. So thank you kindly, and we'll see you next time.